Kumsi benta ban rakhe ke jingdap sunpost nem lane ke golden jubilee jongka Meghalaya Board of School Education haka khatway terik urisau arjar arpulai ka MBOSE kala pynlong da ke inter school choir competition halor ka team celebrate the past, embrace the present and rise to the future kabalalong ha sosotham auditorium hagane ke jingïakop rwai kanhon lawane shimanta da Prathaliki School na East Coast Hills District. Hagani ke jingïakop rwai ya kanam ladu layo banra da ka Synod Higher Secondary School rangkat ka song pisa ka balai po hajar tengka ya ka kerdan baar layo banra da ka Saint Mary's Higher Secondary School rangkat ka song pisa ka baar po hajar tengka mat ya ka kerdan ka balai layo da ka Kidis Corner Higher Secondary School rangkat ka song pisa ka bakatsan hajar tengka. Hagani ka sngi la same kukusnam syakinong job da executive chairman ka MBOSE u CP Marak u joint director MBOSE Shillong u ba McDonald Marbanyang ha ka jingedon rangkat lang kinong hikai na ki school baper kikmi kikpa jong kikna school mat kiwei Habai keren bat kilat patai kubor u joint director ke MBOSE Shillong region ba Marbanyang ulai tu ba ke MBOSE mentaus nem kala pynlong ye ki program baper kum sibenta ban rakhe ye ke jingdap sunpost nem bat ulai tu ru ba ke Synod Higher Secondary School ka ba job ha ke jingïakop rwai kanhon menta ka khatway terik urisau ka leit rwai ka khatkinai terik urisau arjar arpulai hatura ha ke sni penkut ya ke jing rakhe dap sunpost nem jong ke MBOSE.
Again, extend a warm welcome and also to express a word of thanks to each one of you, the schools who have responded, particularly for this function relating to choir, singing and music. We are here to mark a momentous occasion in the journey of the state. Last year, we celebrated 50 years of the state of Meghalaya attaining a full-fledged position or a condition. Before that, way back in 1969, we were an autonomous state, and 1972, we were given a full-fledged state, which we celebrated. I believe some of you will remember the celebrations which took place last year. A year after we have attained our full-fledged statehood, the Meghalaya Board of School Education came into existence or being by an act of the Assembly of Meghalaya in 1973. So that is the background because of which it was felt that we should celebrate this journey of the Board of School Education, which has impacted lives right from 1973 with about 3,300 students who appeared for class 10 to now around more than 30,000 students who were appearing in various exams conducted by the board, including both class 10 as well as class 12. The officers from the Meghalaya Board of School Education, including some of my staff who are present here. I was in the office and I was in the secretariat when I got the message that all the participating choir, they have brought the house down. They have enthralled the audience so much that they said, "Sir, please come." so that was the impact that you have generated, and I just could not resist, and I said, "Okay, I will come, and then I will attend to my other assignments after the program is over." So that is the impact that we have created today. It is not just a performance, but the passion with which we have sung the songs and the talents which have been nurtured. And in spite of the short notice that we gave you, hardly 3 weeks or net time available for the schools, probably would have been about 2 weeks also. And yet, within this very, very short time that you have come with such a sterling performance and rendering of the songs, some original, some originally composed, some of course sung from the existing plethora of songs which we have chosen, including songs which were sung to highlight the theme of the celebration. What is the theme of the celebration? Celebrate the past, embrace the present, and rise to the future. Okay.
Kandai Spanya Buah Padhadin Baklayo ya kerja Jela Kelajong Kesolkar Wikalayaru Kelas Danno Yaga School Education Board Kapol ke State Kejang Bumi Badai Usdem Kat Kandai Spanya Pulai Agak Kat Kandai Tarik Oktober Ke Government Kesasdan Ya Kedeka State Education Board Kebaki Aketeng Kebagila Board of School Education But mentasnem Kasnem Arajar Apulai Kelalong Sampusnem Dekum ban pensa aja kan mau ya kata gajing dap san posnem ila pelong ya ki program ki befer ki pelong hang shalom hatura hajuai William Nagar buat komita ter bat mentas ni pelong ya kini ketwaya competition hang national ya ki school hang national kumto bat ngis ngutenat bagi kena ki sim bentama bat kerukam rwai jungki ke level rwai jungki ke bala ngutenat ha do kata bani baro ki las ngutenat ha Bangin penkut yang ini ke celebration hakakat kendai tarik menai Oktober in pelong hatura ke beri headquarter jom ke MBOSE ya ke bagi lakot yang Chief Minister Madon Buram sawan penyedar mereka bangin sepenkut ya ke jingïakop hakatu keski
Ano tu lagi school ke ba participate untuk school
hari jingsha nomor ba kapor ke bakapnya tengi klemla ban kot shibun ke school ni kam kot bun ke school ya kitu giwe ki competition ke bagi adam ya mentaski ni kot tam ki ban ni kot shipotli dan ba artli gi lagi daw bomla ke yar ke la pentip ba kimla ban poi te pratli ki lawan ta keski batu ba PUI ba Synod Higher Sec School ke job kawan ba ar ke St Mary's ba kawan balai ke Kidis Corner Secondary School national
ini ba kena ka Synod kan sa perform apa kena direct
buat ke school ke job mentah ke Synod Higher Sec School kan select catura ban perform harga tu ke segi ke bapni perkut ya ka jingïakop buat ke kat kendai direct Oktober kan sa perkut harga tu ke segi
kita nak beri ada yang hai dia deh dapat ba pelong ni ke jadi lesson nak liang ka endos kedan yang ka jing berkat ba untuk lang school house dia music
ke subjek musik lah don lupa mentah tang balong ni dang ai tak ada yang kelas 11 dan 12 tahot ka dei ke fi tingin hak perkat di mentah ke perkat seluruh ki kena bakin shim ni kani kum ke subjek dan ke kelas ke badang rit kum jo keding ya keren ya kata kadang ya sya
abi dei baki na dei kiba lesi kiba lihat naga enggak baya compare mensyua ba mentah la kumbunnya
kelak bon ba mentah bat kelas 10 bat kelas 12 ke bele exam ke long silak tam tangki mensyua ke por badang sedang te da bon eru tang lai pasal sebab bon lagi tu por te da bon ke school tang lai pom supposedly mentah te school kil ar hajar tam ke bele ya ka ke ba don hapo kila ke jeng be kala ya ke kelak don sisa ke jengkiu ke krau ba hadir ke sampusnya
Kasi kena kalian menjadi punya di kampus, BAG lagi jendon kam juga, di dan kam dan kam tentu sesuatu ya.
Kat kum kini kejuk ke mementangin hapen le ikum ta, di kejuk pen krek kena ya chat ikum tu, bagi ingat skamba, in la banang kampen bahasa show, di kejuk aji sekri kena, dia kejalahi banang kena. Boleh mah.